Alright guys, we have here is an iPhone 8 Plus saltwater damage. I'm just gonna see, I've got it out of the housing now. Haven't even oh my god. Okay, this is my first look at it, just as it's your first look at it. So, right away, I can see some madness. Okay. Let's plug it into the power supply. Oh yeah. Okay. You guys there? Alright, good. So okay, so let's see what's going on up here with this. We got a particular capacitor up here. Looks looks pretty cheesy. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so let's knock that bad boy off. Ping. Okay, let's see what we got now. Boom. Okay, let's see if this device will boot now. Okay. Boom. You guys see that? Yeah, you do. Okay, let me get you guys into the out-of-scope view. Boom. Okay, so this is an iPhone 8 liquid damage. So if you guys... Oh god, why is it doing that? If you guys like this video, please drop me a like. And if you're not already, please do subscribe. Those two things really help me out. We still need to go through and test all the features, but right now our main objective was to get the information off of this device. So that's why this progress bar is really not sitting well with me right now. So we're going to see what this progress bar is all about here in a few minutes. Do 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 do, come on. After this we got an S7 Edge for data recovery. Right now we're gonna just sit on pins and needles while we wait for this progress bar. Clean up our desk a little bit in the meantime, I suppose. We are on the DC power supply right now and really ought to be on the battery supply right now as opposed to the DC power supply. But this is what we're dealing with now. Come on, baby. Do us right. Show us the goods. Show us the information at the end of the rainbow. Jeez, it's been restored. Maybe this was just for a working phone. I don't know. It's very strange. Let's find out. Let's put a SIM card in the device so we can activate it. Make sure our features are working. Oh, it is locked. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and ask this individual. So this guy must know that he did this, and I guess it's this one. I guess they sent in 2 phones, so I guess it's this one that they need the information from, and this one that they just need to work. At any rate, we have now got an iPhone 8 back in working order. So thank you guys for watching.